In video 3, I'm going to show you how to create your own table. So in video 1, I showed you how to go to your profile and open up a project that you've already started. And here's my blank project here. So I click on that and up it comes with the blank area. The first thing we need to do is create a table and name it what your database is called. So create in capital letters and table, and then you name it. I'm naming my music. And then you start with, I usually start with identification, because you always, when you're searching, you always need to have a unique identifier. So I'm going ID, and it's going to be integer. Now, when you've finished a particular one, you put a comma, and that tells SQL program that that's one column, and we're starting the next column, which for me is song, and that's going to be text. And I'm just going to do 3 of them for the moment. The final one is composer, and that's going to be text as well. Close bracket, and there it comes with the schema of what we're doing. When you finish it, just make sure you put the semicolon in, otherwise it might think the next line is still part of the first one and do some strange things. So we've created our basic table. The next thing we're going to do is insert data into it. So we insert is a word it understands, and also into in capitals, and then my database music. Now if I do that, it's not going to understand. It will come up with a query in a minute, because this capital M music is different from small case music. We'll see that in a second. So now I need to have, because I haven't said which particular tables I want, which particular table I want to use, columns, I need to do 3, and the first one has to be an integer, which is going to be 1. The second is going to be a text, so it has to start with quotes, and I'm going to use Birdland. And the third is going to be Herbie Hancock. Now in text you can use spaces, so and close quotes for that, and then close brackets, and nothing's happened because I've got the wrong database. So also it doesn't show yet, so let's see what I've done, and select all. Now all is the multiplier or the star button from music, and it should have done it. But the reason why it hasn't done it is because, it did it. It's a very understanding program, this one. So usually it wouldn't do it unless I do that. But there you go. Now I'm going to put another one in, and first I'm going to sort of cheat a little bit. I'm going to copy that and paste it, and then you'll see it turns up immediately here, and just change the numbers to Birdland. I'm going to do Chameleon, and the composer of Chameleon is Joe Zinwell. Okay, I better close just in case it won't save. Thanks, bye.